Look, Jayden. There's a container with water inside.
Are we going to take a bath here?
No, Jayden, we're not going to take a bath. It looks like we'll be doing a science experiment.
I can see a rubber ducky,
I can see a kabocha,
a key,
a lemon,
a pair of chopsticks,
a metal spoon,
plastic spoon,
a sponge.
a stone,
I see a Chase foam stamp,
a tree bench.
and a dinosaur. We are ready for the science experiment.
The first thing is
It's a washing sponge. Let's drop it.
ooh,
Oh, it floats.
yes.
The second and third items we're testing are
Spoons.
one metal, one plastic.
One,
One, two, three. Plastic one first. Woo! Oh. And now we have our metal. Whoa! It dropped in a lot faster, I think.
They both sink.
Yes, the metal went faster than the plastic.
This is interesting.
Yes, it is. I thought the plastic would float, but I guess not. The fourth item we have here is...
A rock.
No, Jayden. This is a stone. Stones are smaller than rocks.
I see. That's why it's easy to slide down.
Yes, wow. That went down really fast. The fifth item we have is a lemon.
Smells good.
It does. Smells really fresh.
Let's count backward.
3, 2,
two,
1.
one.
Whoa! Whoa! Big splash!
Yes. Wow, my feet.
Wow! It floats, Jayden.
I'm okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just a little water, Mama.
This reminds me of lemon water.
Oh yeah. The sixth item we have is...
A pair of bamboo chopsticks.
Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go!
Whoa! Roll down Mama's hand into the water and it floats!
Yes. The seventh item is...
It's a brass key.
I can hear the sound.
Yes. Let's count backwards, Jayden. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That dropped to the bottom.
The eighth item is... Chase?
It's a foam stamp of Chase's badge, which is a star.
I see. Oh,
Let's drop it now. Oh! Oh! It floats on the top, just like the chopsticks. The ninth item we have is...
wooden stick.
Mm-hmm,
Some dogs like to chew on it.
that's right. Let's see what happens.
Whoa.
Oh, that also floats. Just like Chase, and the chopsticks, and the lemon.
The 10th item looks heavy.
Yes, it's a kabocha. A Japanese squash. Let's see if it will float because it looks heavy. Ready? Whoa!
Whoa.
Look at it! It didn't sink! It floats too!
Amazing.
Item 11 is...
A yellow rubber ducky.
Oh, hello.
1,
two,
2,
three.
3.
Oh. I knew it would float.
Oh, finally we have the last thing.
Yes, our 12th item. Whoa, whoa, watch out for my nose. Whoa, oh. Good thing it's not real. Big and heavy footsteps. Whoa, it looks like it's going in for a dive.
This dinosaur floats.
Oh, I guess it was looking for the stone. Or maybe it lost its key. Or maybe he's trying to get the spoon with his feet so that he can eat supper.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 items that float.
And then there are 4 items that sink.
Sink or float.
We learned so much from today's experiment.